Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? Nana, she the chef, y'all wanna meet. You wanna meet her. Quickie meals you can all enjoy at home. I can sense that you hungry, you are not alone. Like, share, and subscribe, don't hold your breath. Stop what you doing, it's Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making cheeseburger pasta. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 3 cups of beef broth, 3 cups of shell pasta, 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 pound of ground beef, 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, 1 small onion diced, 3 large garlic cloves minced, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of sweet relish, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1/2 teaspoon of parsley flakes, that's optional, is for garnish at the end, and also 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. To a heated skillet over medium heat, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to let that come to temperature. Now we're going to add in our onion. We're going to let that saute for 2 minutes. Now you want to add in your minced garlic. Let that saute for 1 minute. Next, we're going to add in our ground beef. We're going to break our ground beef down and make sure it's well combined with our onion and garlic. We're going to let it continue to cook until it's browned all the way through. Once your ground beef is done cooking, turn off your heat. We're going to remove it from our skillet and drain it of all excess grease. Once you've drained all the grease from your ground beef, return it back to your skillet. Put it back on medium heat. I'm going to add in our 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Also our mustard, pepper, and also our paprika. And you want to mix it until it's well combined. Next, we're going to add in our beef broth. You want to give that a stir, and you can raise your heat to high. We're also going to add in our relish, our ketchup, and also our heavy cream. Mix until well combined, and you want to bring it up to a simmer. Guys, always taste your food. If you need to add any salt, you can do it now. Now that it has come to a simmer, you can add in your pasta sauce. And go ahead and mix them in so they're well combined. And we're going to lower our heat to medium-low. Now we're going to place our lid on top, and we're going to let it cook for 10 to 12 minutes. and you want to stir in between. And we're going to let it cook until the pasta shells are al dente. Okay guys, after about 12 minutes, we're now going to add in our shredded cheddar cheese. And you just want to mix it all the way through. You can turn off your heat until it's melted. Now I'm just going to add some parsley flakes over top, just for garnish. It's optional. So here we have it, another one-pot meal cheeseburger pasta. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?